Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see the title towards the scheduling of access requests in cloud storage. Cloud computing is a new distributed computing paradigm for on-demand and dynamic provisioning of computing resource to potential end users by using virtualization and internet technologies. For most end users, they do not want to stream media files such as pictures, music and movies in their local storage, but they are the most interested in those files. So cloud storage becomes the most optimal selection for those huge files. Because of the physical distributed storage in cloud, most of cloud storage use virtualization technology for the best use of the resources. Virtual machine may be migrated to another resource set transparently. Generally, access requests from end users are continuous and scheduler typically returns unavailable to end users in such situation. It makes no sense if storage cannot provide high durability. The main purpose of this paper is to provide an overview of the scheduling system architecture for cloud storage environment. In this, it will reflect the multi-factor nature of a scheduler in cloud computing by considering multiple criteria, and also we discuss the kernel scheduling algorithm of the scheduler. It aims at supporting the mass storage of stream media in cloud storage and providing end users to continuously access the desirable data when virtual machines are migrating. Now we are going to see the DFD diagram. First, create the data center, host and cloudlets and virtual machines. Then allocate the virtual machines to different hosts. Then allocate different cloudlets to VMs. If the VM is not able to process the cloudlets, then that VM is migrated to another host in order to processing the cloudlets. Now we are going to see the project. The front end is NetBeans and the back end is MySQL. In the front end, choose inside the cloud towards, choose home.java and run file. Process. Click input and give VM number as 20 and the cloudlet number as the 20. Then value submitted. After that, our cloudlets are executed and the VMs are migrated. Here from the output we can see that. So first of all, the VMs are created in the data center and each VM is allocated to the different host. Then cloudlet is passed to VM for processing. After that, for each host the utilization is calculated, and if it is not processed means that VM is under migration and it should be migrated to another host, like here it's shown here. Finally, we are getting the cloudlets ID and their status and the resource ID, in which VM they are running. That VM ID, it takes how much time to complete, that time, starting time as well as the finishing time. Finally, we are calculating total simulation time, energy consumption, number of VM migrations, number of SLA violations. SLA violations means service level agreement violations, and overall SLA violations. And then click output. So it will show only when the VM is migrating, means that VM is migrated to which host. It shows like that. And then click performance. In that performance, we are comparing the host and VM utilization with utilization. In graph 2, we are comparing the existing system and the proposed system. In the existing system, the SLA violations and energy consumption and time are high, but in the proposed system it should be reduced. In graph 3, we are counting, that is how many VMs allocated for each host. Thank you.